hiking day 2. Feel pretty good. Really late start because the bus. Got on the bus going the wrong direction. Waited an hour, and same guy coming the other direction. Looked a lot more grumpy to pick us up, but we made it. Now it's afternoon, and we're only like 2 miles in. So we have to get, like 7 miles in 5 hours? Kind of no big deal, but we stop a lot, so. So what do you think of Germany so far?
It's awesome.
Okay.
And I love it.
Sick.
It's really future, or it's really old.
Mm-hmm.
And then they mix it all up together. Like we just saw this man, and he was wearing like a little button vest and a mustache, and he was running like machinery. But then we walked by like, I don't know, a Lamborghini that he drove or something fancy. It's all polished and like this really nice car. It's cool. It looks like Indiana.
No. So we have a little dilemma. We have 2 ways we can go here. Either way goes to our next destination. And that way is 8 kilometers or 8 miles?
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers. Pretty easy day there. And this way is 12.5 kilometers.
Also pretty easy.
Not too bad either. It is supposed to rain later, so that plays into it. So we're trying to get out of the rain, and Emma has some schoolwork. So we decided to let fate take care of it, and we're gonna flip a coin to see which way we should go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Do it.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go the long way because we want to see why this is the designated route and if it has special, beautiful places to see. So that's what we're doing. Oh, it's already more beautiful. Look. Day 3 on the Heidsnuckenweg. Really beautiful. Early start from the town of Handelo. And really nice hotel. Great, well, half a great night's sleep. I'm always waking up at 3 for some reason. So I'm always on 4 hours of sleep. I don't know if it's jet lag or what, but it's a really pretty trail. It's very nice. It's misty, wooded, kind of like Indiana, but different. Maybe if northern Indiana wasn't destroyed and deforested hundreds of years ago, it would be like this. Seems familiar somehow, but pristine.
was looking on Google Translate, and Hyde is like a version of the word heather, or it means pagan. But anyway, heather is like the heather that's here in the forest. And then schnucken is to swallow. And so the sheep that we saw are called Heidsnuckenweg, so the heather swallowers. And then weg means way, or trail. So Heidsnuckenweg.
Wow.
Yeah.
I really like the way the Germans vacation, or at least this part of it. I think the nature hikes and then the luxury hotels, actually, with the really beautiful, refined German breakfasts and dinners. It's incredible. It's a nice combo, but this isn't a cheap trail. This will cost you, 70 or 80 euros each night. No hostels, all hotels. So it adds up. I couldn't do the whole trail, I don't think, for less than $1,000.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a little bit pricey.
That includes breakfast, and the breakfasts are really good.
Yeah.
They have like a lot of protein
Mm-hmm.
and things that'll last you on the trail
Yeah.
all day, so that's nice.
Yeah, it's true. But, for price conscious, you're not supposed to camp for what they call wild camping. We haven't seen any. We haven't seen any campgrounds set up at all. Mm-hmm. So we were going to take our tent and sleeping pad and mattress and all that, but not really worth it. We've heard of people hiding in the woods and just camping out of sight, which I'm sure is doable, but we don't really want to risk that. And it's just a little too hectic, and it's nice to get cleaned up at night too.
The hotels are so posh.
Yeah, really nice.
So comfy. It's really nice.
Yeah, we made a mistake of doing a wash last night, which was pretty essential. Socks and underwear and everything, but getting it dry. We thought the radiators would turn on, but I guess because we're on the 3rd floor, they didn't have to turn the radiators on. And we spent all morning hair drying our socks and our other bits dry for the trail today. And we have stuff on our packs to dry, but it's not going to dry.
The merino wool is what is up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we are.
We did it. the whole Heidsnuckenweg.
No, it's not the whole thing.
It's the whole thing for us.
It's 4 stages, and it's all we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
And it was great. It was really, really nice.
Now we just have to take a bus back.
Yeah. I'm ready to sit down. My knee hurts.
I think I'm okay. I don't have any owie bits.
I'm not right now, but I'm ready to take a load off. Yeah.
Do you want to pay? After you, baby. Hello.
Yes.
For 2?
No, it's you have nothing to pay.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
Cool. Thank
we're
you.
going to, where are we going?
Toastbahnhof.
Toastbahnhof?
Totally fine.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
That's right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.